up guys, this is Hemanth here back in my second video. As I said, I will be doing every video in three languages, Telugu, Hindi and English. And I was done with Telugu and this is my English video. So here I have a mini speaker which names Swiss military Bluetooth speaker, and I have to tell you this is very small. I've used it and I'm unboxing after 1 month, and over here on the box you can see the Swiss military logo, and this speaker came from Switzerland and the model is BL13. And this speaker I've ordered it from Amazon, and here it is 3-in-1 Bluetooth speaker which is lightweight, and it has a rechargeable battery, and it supports micro SD card player and USB port. You can play songs from SD card or connect your phone to USB port and play the songs. And at the side you have its Facebook account and yours, YouTube, etc. And at the back you have its features and box content. It is 4.2 Bluetooth speaker which have 4000 mAh battery, and the playback is nearly 2 hours in the maximum volume. And the price of this speaker is 1390 on the box, but I bought at 1300 from Amazon. You order it, you get it in 5 to 6 days. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. So when you open the box, you can see you have a charger at the top, and this charger is very small, so you can use another cable, but emergencies you can use this cable. And the charger is micro USB to USB cable. Yeah, that's very nice, so that wherever you go you frequently get these cables. And let's see what's more inside. Over here you get an instruction manual. Let's open it, and yes, it has the another color of the speaker. Actually this looks so pretty, and before using you just read the user manual. And let's see what's more inside. And here we get the speaker. Okay, that's very small, very nice. Let's see something more inside the box. And yeah, we have a warranty card for this speaker. You get a 6 years warranty card for the speaker for any technical issues, but not for the breakdown or throwing or falling by mistake. For the warranty you have to write your model name, and when you buy it and contact the team, they'll help you out. And here is the speaker, very pretty. Here you get a Swiss military logo made up of metal, and which is very nice. And the speaker is covered with leather so that you get a clear sound that's very smooth. And you get a strap here to hold it or hang it anywhere, and that is also made up of leather. And the speaker is very strong, made up of ABS plastic. That's very nice. And over here you get all the ports on it. On off button, you will get the charger, you will get the USB port, you get the micro SD card port, and you can charge it with a micro SD card. But remember, you have to reverse and keep in the charging port so that it gets inside. If you keep the normal way how you keep for other devices, it won't work, because this speaker has another charging port. And you charge it. When you charge it, it turns into a red light in the front. And here you have the SD card. You just put in the SD card and press the mode button at the top. I'll tell you later about that. That's it. And at the top you have the buttons, that is M means mode, minus means decrease the volume, plus means increase the volume, and the arrow button means play or pause the music. You can use this speaker for all devices. It is compatible with all devices, iOS or Android or your computer, anything. And at the down of the speaker you have a protective for making it stand, and you have a like safety. Yeah, of course. And that's it about the speaker. Now let's hear some sound quality of the speaker.
Welcome to Swiss Military Bluetooth device. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So guys, that was the sound quality of this mini speaker, and the bass is also very good, and the coming to the volume of the speaker, it is very loud. And up here, as I said, you have the mode button, so that you can switch the modes from Bluetooth to SD card or from SD card to USB port. When you click the mode button once, from Bluetooth it switches to SD card mode, and when you switch it again from SD card it switches to USB port, so that you can play the songs from three of them. And this was a speaker and which is very small. I am using it from 1 month, and the battery backup was also 2 hours. And coming to the charging time, it only takes 1 hour 30 minutes of charging time. And coming to the weight of the speaker, it only weighs 450 grams, which is very light. You can just fit it in your pocket, take anywhere, connect with device, and play music. So that's all with this speaker, guys. I'll meet you in next video. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.